In a cozy little house, a mother sat with her baby girl, Ellie, who had a plain white dress. The mother had an idea to make the dress more special. She took out her fabric paints and brushes, and with Ellie watching curiously, she began to fill the dress with beautiful colors. She painted delicate flowers in pinks, blues, and yellows, with tiny green leaves and butterflies fluttering around them. Ellie giggled as her mother added a rainbow across the hem, turning the simple dress into a vibrant masterpiece. With the dress done, the mother noticed Ellie's little white slippers. She decided they needed some color too. She carefully painted tiny matching flowers on the slippers, adding little stars that sparkled like the night sky. The slippers now looked like they belonged to a fairy tale, perfectly matching the colorful dress. Finally, the mother picked up Ellie's hat, also plain white. She painted a soft rainbow around the brim and added more flowers and stars, completing the ensemble. When Ellie wore her new outfit, she looked like a little garden fairy, her dress, slippers, and hat all bursting with color. As they went out for a walk, people couldn't help but smile at the sight of Ellie in her bright, cheerful clothes. The colors danced in the sunlight, and Ellie's mother felt proud knowing she had created something so special for her little girl. Every step Ellie took in her colorful slippers was filled with joy, making the world around her a little brighter. Please subscribe to my channel for more video. Thank you.